We can use descriptive feedback. Just like talking to a human artist, we can be specific. The mist is perfect, but could you make the lighting softer and warmer, like a golden hour sunset? Or we could give it an entirely new prompt. We can give the GPT a similar prompt, but then tweak it based on our feedback. Create a serene landscape image of a mountain valley at sunset with mist and include a gently flowing river in the foreground. Remember, the more we interact with serene landscapes, the more it learns our preferences and style, becoming a finely tuned image generation machine that's tailored to our vision. And don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts like a misty forest with dappled sunset filtering through the trees, or a serene lakeside view at dawn with reflections of pastel-coloured clouds. Or maybe even a mountain peak piercing through the clouds, bathed in the golden light of sunrise. Each prompt, each piece of feedback, takes our GPT one step closer to perfection. And that's the beauty of this process. It's a collaboration between human creativity and AI capability. And speaking of collaboration, we need to get our GPT ready for others to talk to. But before we can do that, we need to polish it off with one last thing. And that is an awesome profile photo. We have options to upload a photo of our own, but we can also use DALL-E to generate a profile photo for us based on the instruction set that we have just created. And you'll see this profile photo showcased throughout the interface, including right next to the name of our GPT. This will make it easy for us to distinguish our GPT from others at a glance. And now our GPT is ready to be shared with the world. Or just your colleagues. The choice is yours. Just like other SaaS platforms, you'll have granular control over who can access your GPT and what permissions they'll have when doing so. The default when you share your GPT with others is to allow them to chat to your GPT. But if you'd like them to see your masterful configuration or even duplicate the GPT to start off their own, you can give them the Can View configuration permissions. And as the owner of this GPT, you have the ability to revise and update these permissions at will. And now that our collaboration permissions have been set, the only thing left to do is click on View GPT and start chatting. Now, as you've seen, building serene landscapes has been quite a journey.